In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in Clickup. Now, to get started with managing your projects more efficiently, let's dive into linking tasks in Clickup platform, a great way to keep everything connected and ensure your workflow stays organized. First, head over to the Clickup website. If you haven't visited Clickup yet, it's basically an all-in-one app for managing your work and collaborating with teams. Once you get to the homepage, you'll notice an option that says Log In. Click on that to proceed. If you're using Google to log in, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Click on that option, which will redirect you to a page where you can choose your Google account. Go ahead and select your account to complete the sign-in process. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Clickup dashboard, filled with all your projects and tasks. Now let's focus on the list you are working on. Within your dashboard, find the specific list that contains the tasks you want to link together. Clicking on the list will display all of the tasks associated with it. Identify the first task you want to link and hover over it to reveal the options menu, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on these dots to open the menu where you'll see an option to copy link. Select this to copy the task's link to your clipboard. With the link copied, it's now time to open the second task you wish to link to the first one. Find this task and click on it to open its details. Once you're in, look for the More option, which provides additional features and functionalities for the task. Click on it, allowing you access to a variety of features. One of these will be a section where you can paste a link. This is where you'll drop the link you copied earlier, paste the link into the specified area, and save your changes. With this, you've successfully linked the 2 tasks together. Linking tasks in Clickup can greatly enhance your project management experience by keeping related tasks connected, ensuring you and your team have quick access to all necessary information. This can lead to better communication and tracking of progress within larger projects. Plus, once you've linked your tasks, you always have the option to unlink them or modify the connection as your project evolves. So take your time exploring these features, and soon you'll find your productivity in the app to be significantly amplified. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to link tasks in Clickup. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with these features, the more streamlined your workflow will become. Thanks for following along, and happy task managing.